When people are asked to describe sales professionals, what types of words do they typically use? Pushy? Insincere? Annoying? In a survey, more than 95% of people said they dislike salespeople. They don't like talking to salespeople, and they don't want to be a salesperson. There are barriers to successful selling. Let's look at them now.
Barrier number 1, too much content. Number 2, salesperson talks too early and too often. Barrier number 3, failure to listen. Barrier number 4, failure to handle tension. Barrier 5, biases and stereotypes. Barrier 6, no plan. Barrier 7, customers' fear of making a decision.
One of the changes currently happening in this economy is that everyone who does anything that touches a customer is a salesperson. At Tero, in our outcome-driven selling, a consultative approach to selling workshop, we show you how to not fall into the trap of being perceived as a typical salesperson. You will learn the 4 steps to successful outcome-driven selling, skills for consultative collaborative selling, a diagnostic tool to quickly assess the health of any customer relationship, tips for handling conflict and tension, and most importantly, close the sale. Visit tero.com/ODS.